In this video, we're going to cover the Media Inspector inside of ProPresenter. The Media Inspector is a powerful tool that gives you precise control over individual media items. This is where you can set playback markers, define in and out points, and apply effects and transitions, and even assign audio routing, all on a per item basis. You can open the Media Inspector by right-clicking any media item in the media bin, the audio bin, or any media action on a slide or macro and choosing Inspector. You can also find the inspector inside the presentation, theme, or prop editors when media is selected. Once you open it, you'll see a dedicated window where you can view and modify everything related to that specific file. The inspector works with images, videos, and audio files, and each file exposes different options. If you have multiple items selected, you can switch between them using the drop-down in the top left corner. When you're working with a video, the entire left side of the inspector becomes your preview area. You can scrub through the timeline, watch the elapsed remaining time, and control playback. You can play the video, jump forward or backward by 15 seconds, jump to the last 30 seconds, or jump all the way back to the beginning. If the video has audio, you will see it metered inside the preview window. On the right-hand side, the Information tab shows you what the file is called, where it lives on your computer's hard drive, what the thumbnail looks like, and all of the core details about that media cue. You can also set a custom thumbnail here if needed. Next is the Properties tab. This is where you'll probably spend most of your time, as it controls the majority of your playback options. You've got controls for scale, cropping, playback behavior, and more. Scaling options let you adjust how the media fits your screen, which is helpful if something is too large or too small. Alignment is usually set to middle center, which is what you'll want for most media. Flipping options let you mirror your media vertically or horizontally, while rotation allows you to make a vertical video horizontal or vice versa. Next is playback behavior. If you have a video but you don't want it to loop, you can change that to stop and select an end behavior. If you keep it set to loop, you can also change the looping behavior, be it indefinite, looping for an amount of loops, or looping for time. You can also set in and out points, tweak delay time, and modify the play rate. For audio and video files, you'll see a duration section that reflects the actual length of the media after your custom in and out points are applied. Below that, there's the option to delay the start of a media file once triggered. There's also a slider that controls the speed of your playback, as well as choices for hardware decoding, though this should more than likely stay set to automatic. The next tab is Transitions. This is where you can apply a specific transition to just this one media item. Most people don't touch this, as the media bin has a default transition you can choose, but this allows you to set something custom just specifically for this file. Next is the Effects tab. This gives you the option to apply filters to your media, such as color adjustments, blur, and vignette. You can even add multiple filters and save them as a preset so they can be reused in the future. Then there's the Audio tab, where you can adjust volume per channel, set ramp in or ramp out times, as well as reroute individual audio channels if you need a specific configuration. The final tab is Playback Markers. This is where you can add markers at specific times within a video or audio file to automate actions. Things like triggering a macro, firing a MIDI cue, changing a stage screen layout, or running other timed events. Playback markers are also useful for showing timers or countdowns on the stage screen that sync to a specific moment in that media. We will cover playback markers in more depth in a dedicated tutorial. Audio files in the inspector have similar options, but instead of scrubbing the videos on the main tab, you'll see a waveform of the audio file. And that's the Media Inspector. It's one centralized space where you can preview, adjust, and fully customize any media file inside of ProPresenter. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.